Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to uninstall Windows Update in Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to uninstall your recently updated any Windows update, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings. Click on Settings. In left section you can see last option, Windows Update. Just click on that. Guys, in right section you can see Update History. Just click on that. After that you can see Quality Update. You have to click on that. Below you will find Uninstall Update. Just click on Uninstall Update. You can see some of the updates what you have done recently. Just select anyone, right click, uninstall. Click on yes. You have to wait for some time to completely uninstall this update. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can uninstall Windows Update in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.